And if you're not new, welcome back. I am Ashley Michelle, and I am back again with another video. And as you can tell by the title, I am showing you guys my quick little 1-2-1-2 on how to put on your lashes. Very quick, very simple, okay? Maybe the most beginner-friendly video I've ever done so far. In this video, I teach you guys how I put on my lashes as of right now. See my corners? Corners are down. Okay, I'm pulling them. Corners are down. And they stay down all day. And now we can get into it. Okay, you guys, so starting it off really quickly. Taking these glasses off because their glare is always so disrespectful. And after that, you know I gotta get in my happy dance because I'm always happy to be here. So I'm gonna take this Better Than Sex mascara and I'm gonna thoroughly coat my lashes. I coat my lashes because I feel like it protects my lashes from the glue. So when the glue gets on my lashes, it gets on my lashes, yes, but I feel like the mascara creates almost like a barrier. So coat your lashes really good. It doesn't have to be a $25 mascara because you're putting on lashes anyway, and not just any type of lashes, big blinks. So yeah, I recommend the Maybelline, what is it, Air Volume. That stuff is so good too. And also you want to put on mascara just to make sure that your lashes are completely black when you're putting on your lashes. I think that this wand just gets my lashes the best. They so little. I love them though, but they so baby. But yeah, you want to do that on both eyes. So now that you have your lashes all coated in mascara, you want to pick whatever lashes you're going to do. You can do any type of lashes. I noticed the title says big blinks, whatever. You can pick whatever ones. I'm not judging. But you're going to take your duo glue. And I left this in because it was funny. I could not for the life of me figure out if it was upside down or not. I'm so blind. But duo glue with the brush is the best one. So you see how so much glue got on my lashes? I'm really not worried about it because I have on my mascara. Now, if you are a lash tech, esthetician, you do lashes for a living, please, this is what I feel like works for me. And plus, I haven't had any like bad results. So, but after I do that on my lid, as you saw, I take the glue and I also put it on the band of my lashes. I feel like the stickiness on the stickiness makes it really adhere in a beautiful way. So simultaneously, you're going to let the lash and your lash line dry. I'm just going to do this and blow on my lash periodically. But what you do want to do before it dries all the way is like shape it or curve it. I think this is better for like the corners for real. So I'm trying to show you that I put my hand mirror directly under my eye so that I can see. Because you want this to be as close to your lash line as possible, okay? As close as possible. So this glue dries clear. Most of it is dry except for them like globs of it, but I know you couldn't really see here, but on the other eye you can see really good. But what I do is I basically stick the end first, you can see, and then I do the middle, and then I do the front, and then I just push it all together and make sure that it's on there for sure. It's stuck right now, but I'm also going to go in there for just a little bit of reassurance. Okay, so that's how I do it. Quickly, I just want to pop in and say I do think that this would be easier with tweezers. It is also easy with your hands. I think it's the easiest with my hands, but I have used tweezers before too, so I would just say try both of them, see what works for you, and rock out, baby. So before you put on the other lash, you want to make sure that you fill yourself with one lash on, like you don't look crazy, you know, because that's a thing. And then you're going to do the exact same thing on the other eye, okay? You are going to basically line your lids with this eyelash glue. Try not to get it all in your lashes, y'all. I'm just messy. I don't know. I don't have steady hands either. But yeah, try your best to be not messy and not get it in your hair like me. And line your lids with your glue. Then you want to also coat your lash band. And here I was doing this for a good minute because I was trying to make sure that you guys could see that I was getting them corners pretty good. I feel like in the lash community, lifting of the corners is a big issue. We have to make sure that we're properly coating them with glue, okay, and properly letting them get tacky. All right, we have to make sure that these things are being paid attention to. So let's get it together. So again, after some time, I'm going to let my glue get tacky for the most part, and I'm putting my mirror under my eye again, trying to make sure that y'all can really see that the mirror is right under my eye, okay, right under there. And now you can see very clearly that I'm sticking my lash right above my lashes, like my real lashes, okay, as close as possible. I do the end, the middle, and then the beginning, okay. All you want to do is make sure you're doing a little push, a little 1 2 1 2 push, and that is it, okay. I'm just repositioning it here just so that it don't make my eye look droopy. But after that, you just keep pushing it in, and then you let the glue that's already supposed to be a little bit tacky do the work, okay. Now that little bit of glue that you see is gonna dry up, but that is all there is. That's all there is to it. So yeah, that's all there is, and I hope you guys really understood. I hope you got it. So I just did my bottom lashes real quick, and I'm ready to go, okay. So I'm not gonna talk too much, just want y'all to see these lashes. They look so cute, and I'm gonna see y'all in the outro. Okay. So thank you so much for staying to the end of this video. I know it was a quick little something, quick little 1 2 1 2, but it was very informative. I didn't do the voiceover yet, but I know for sure I'm gonna get you guys together. Thank you so much for watching to the end of my video. You guys know, well, if you stick around to the end, usually then you know. I always express my love and gratitude for you. I love you guys. I really do. I appreciate you guys. I really do appreciate you sitting and watching me and liking and subscribing. But yes, so make sure you stay tuned for the next one.